Hello, I'm Jen, and this is your Daily Makeup Minute for May 22nd, 2018. This pretty shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills is Sweet Pea, and it launches today, Tuesday. New singles will launch today from Kylie Cosmetics called Apricot, Head Over Heels, Libra, and High Maintenance. They're probably available right now. We bet you've been wondering to yourself, what color beauty blender will they think of next? Well, meet Sapphire on their site now for $20. Pretty shimmery stuff from Farsali. It's the new Jelly Beam shade GlowUP, set to launch June 4th alongside Rose Gold on their site. And dupe alert, they may look like MAC, but these palettes are from Essence, called Born Awesome, Too Glam to Give a Damn, The Future Is Me, and Not Your Princess, arriving in August. Finally, wouldn't you just know that the Bite Beauty Gemini Lippy would have 2 shades in one? Look for it on BiteBeauty.com and Sephora.com, $26. That's it for now. We'll see you here same time tomorrow. Look for Makeup Minute Extras on my Instagram. And don't forget our full-length weekly newscast, What's Up in Makeup, every Sunday morning on YouTube.